Hello everyone, Pretty Crazy Girl 128 AJ here, and welcome to part 5 of our fashion series. And today we're going to be doing, this is going to be the last part of our fashion series for members, and this is going to be girly looks. So right now we're just about to do a dolphin, arctic wolf, and eagle, and that's going to be the end of our story. So let's start off with the dolphin. So I only have these clothes for underwater, but I do make them work. Actually, I do make them work. So, first let's start off with the color. I really like this purple, and I like the white on the outside, and I like the stars. The stars are always, my stars are I like to use black, because black and purple go good together to me. And then I like the girly eyes, I'm going to keep them white this time. And then we'll wear my sombrero, whatever this says necklace, bioluminescent necklace, and the kelp skirt. I think it looks nice like that, because especially, you barely get any clothing with the underwater animals because it's kind of hard to get. But I try my best to get the items, you know. So now it's time to go back to my den, and now we're about to do an Arctic wolf. This is one of my favorite characters that I used to always play with when I would be in the pillow room dancing around playing. I'd always use this character, and this one's pretty much like for kind of tough girl look, pretty girly. It's kind of like one of those that you're like, well, it's like when you're pretty much like one of those popular kids or something. Let's say that. So I always wore white on the outside, black. I keep that pattern, and then I wear gray, light or dark gray. But I like light gray. And then I'm gonna change my eyes to the girl eyes, and I like my girl eyes on this one blue. It could be any color blue. Like I'm gonna use this blue for today for this animal, and then this is what you have to do. I always wore my spike, and then you always wear your elf bracelets, and then the tail armor, and then I'd always wear my stutter shades, but this time I'm gonna switch it up a little bit to my worn, and also the sunglasses. And then that's pretty much it. Yeah, or the Jamaldi bow, or yeah, it could be anything like that, you know. And or I use the studded bracelet. And then yeah, I'm gonna use my worn and studded bracelets. Yeah. That's how I always dress this animal. This is a like swaggy Arctic wolf look. If you girls want swag, and you guys could choose any colors. This is just my opinion on how I like my color animals. But these are pretty much good ideas. Now, last but not least, those of you with the eagle. Let's get started. Let's get started with this. The eagle. And then I'm gonna do the Forgotten Desert. So, those of you with an eagle, look carefully. I'm gonna show you two different outfits for the eagle this time, because I also want this video to be a little longer than like 5 minutes. And I also have two perfect looks for your eagle, but I'm only gonna wear one. But you guys can wear one or the other. So I'm gonna use black, and then I'm gonna keep that white. It could be white or any color you want. I'm gonna keep it white, and then I'm gonna keep that design, but I'm gonna do the light pink girl eyes and do it black. And then I also like it when your spooky top hat's on, or any type of hat. And then I like to wear my short, and then I also wear that elf tail armor, and I also wear this studded bracelet. I always wear this on my eagle. This is my original design that I like to wear most of the time, especially when I'm on the Forgotten Desert. But yeah, now it's time to do another look for the eagle. If you guys didn't like this one, then you guys might like this one. You have blue, that pretty blue, and then I'm gonna keep the pink, and well, I'm gonna keep that white, and I'm gonna do the pink. Or you could do any color with the blue, because blue almost goes with everything. But I prefer blue and pink like that because it looks pretty stylish. And then the eyes, I'm gonna change them to purple or blue. I'm gonna change them to blue, and then I'm gonna change it to the spike. That spike. This elf tail. Oh man. this spike, and then that. And then you get to choose a different hat if you want. So personally, I'd personally use the green fedora or something. But I prefer the where's the top hat because it looks pretty nice. And the halo or anything else like the eyeball hat. I've been wanting this is the rare one, but I don't know. Is this the rare eyeball hat? Well, the better eyeball hat. I think it's this one. Okay, but guys, I have a question. If you guys are watching this, can you guys tell me if this is the better eyeball hat? Because I heard that the better eyeball hat has the pink eyelashes and the purple pupil, and this is what it is. So, I don't know. If you guys can do that for me, thanks. Well, yeah, that's another look for the eagle. It can have anything like that, something like that, you know? But I prefer this look right here. And instead of the silver spike, I like my orange short, and I like, where's the pink? The pink elf tail, whenever I can find it. That's, I like that personally. So, that was the last part of our video. Thank you guys for watching, and next time we'll have a video about an adventure, the Forgotten Desert, because that's how you win most of the items. Like, the items that I have. Like, I never had an Arctic hood before, or anything like that. So next time, that's going to be, what our video is going to be about. Because I've won a lot of things from that adventure, and I'm going to show you guys how to, do it. And mostly, 4 people, okay? Well, thank you guys for watching. This has been a wonderful series. I'm thinking about doing another series for non-members, so that they can have some pretty outfit ideas with the non-member clothing only, and then I'm also gonna do boy clothing. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching, and remember to put a big thumbs up, and comment, subscribe, tell your friends about it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.